morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another vloggy vlog as we ride a motorcycle in Brooklyn in December. It's like December 12th or 11th or something like that. I'm not sure, maybe 13th. And it's 35 degrees. 35 degrees is a little bit above freezing, which is nice, good. It's a good thing. Above freezing is always a plus, because 2 days ago, to be precise, it rained. I mean, it rained. It snowed. 2 days ago, it snowed. I'm gonna go around. This guy can't even walk. He's just taking up space. He's just into that space life. But yeah, so yeah, it rained. When did it rain? Snow. Good Lord, I'm out of control. I don't know why I'm so scattered, but it snowed on Saturday all day, and today is Monday, and look, where's the snow? On the news, they told us about this blizzard and this snowstorm and blah, 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 and it's like, I don't see it, son. Where it's at, though. Anywho, it was a good weekend. I went to a wedding for some good friends. Delicious food, delicious drinks. It was in Long Island. And I was at this mansion owned by the person who used to run Singer sewing machines. Dude, speed up. It's too cold to go slow. What is he slowing down for? Dumbass. But yeah. Singer washing machines. Good Lord, buddy. That guy, that truck was going to squish me. Anywho, yeah, that mansion was epic. It was like a true mansion that I was at. It was a huge, like, my favorite part of the mansion was probably the backyard. The backyard was like 20-30 fucking football field lengths, just like huge. It reminds me of I don't know if you know the winter gardens of St. Petersburg or something, I think it's called. Look at that Porsche. Slow start for the Porsche. But anyway, yeah, it reminded me of like back in Russia. Come on, buddy. This Porsche, bro. Porsche life. Classic Porsche life. Good Lord. Thanks. Look at this madness. Woohoo! Snow, snow, snow. But yeah, it's like it's this epic, huge backyard where it truly felt like you're in a mansion, you know? Like, it was incredible. It was really good. And the food was good. The appetizers were delicious. There was all these like food stations. It was just a good time. Ooh, snow coming off of the fucking cars. Epic sauce. Too many crickets. Why do people... Ooh, look, it's slippery over here. It is, it's a weird temperature right now. It's kind of like things are melting because it's above freezing, but there's also a cold wind. But at the same time, I'm not cold whatsoever. I am layered up. Uniqlo all day. Uniqlo all damn day. Huge fan. Hilarious. Nice. So the winter in New York City is pretty mild so far. I don't even know if the winter has began yet, because it's weird how it goes by like some weird arbitrary calendar dates. What is this? It's fucking hilarious. Fucking hilarious. But yeah, I would imagine the winter starts December 1st, but apparently it does not. Apparently winter starts, who knows, like December fucking God knows whatever. But Jenna, here we go. We'll get in this lane. Nice slow lane with this guy here. Big truck, big truck. My bike has not even warmed up yet. Savage rain. Oh, one thing I did yesterday was put on new grips. New Animal BMX. Why is my blinker not working? There we go. But yeah, it's Animal BMX Edwin De La Rosa grips. Huge fan. Those are my favorite. That's what I used to run on a BMX bike. Well, I mean, I still do, technically. Yes, I still do. Look at this freaking silly person. What? Do it, bro. And yesterday I adjusted the chain because I replaced the chain tensioners. I also, what else did I do? Well, that was a pile of salt, if I've ever seen one. And there we go. Nice. This person is breaking the law. These things happen. Here we go. What are we doing, buddy? We're gonna move or not? You son of a bitch. Ooh, there's a Beamer right there. Do I have any room next to it? It's hard to tell. Maybe. I kind of do. I could kind of put the bike over there, but I'm definitely gonna pass these people here. Cannot deal with these motherfuckers. Oh, look at this beautiful view here. Nothing like ice cold cobblestones, I tell you. That is dangerous though. That is how you bust your ass. On Monday you can park any goddamn where. I could even park right there. Yeah, I think that's what I'll do. I'll park right over here next to whatever the hell that is. I don't know what that is, but that's where I'll park next to. No idea. Here we go. I'm gonna park just like that. Look at this thing. That is weird. What the hell is this thing? It's like a tent. That's hilarious. That's fucking hilarious. I'm thinking about, did somebody sleep in here? Maybe. Alright, that's what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. This is a sure way not to get your bike stolen in New York City. You just carry this camo tent with you. And then when you're ready to go, you take it off And you got your bike. Nice.